In this video, I'll show you how to use Lovable AI to create a website. First, sign into your Lovable account and click Create New Project. Next, describe the website you want to build. For example, you can type something like, create a website for a local fitness business with a homepage, services page, contact form, and pricing section. After that, submit the prompt and wait for Lovable AI to generate the website for you. Now, review the website that Lovable creates. Check the layout, text, images, and overall structure to make sure it matches what you need. Next, continue chatting with Lovable to make changes. You can ask it to update colors, change sections, add pages, modify text, or add new features. After that, keep refining the website until you're satisfied with the final result. Now, test the website and make sure all buttons, forms, and links are working properly. Next, click the Publish button when you're ready to make the website live. Finally, follow the publishing steps and use the live link provided by Lovable to share your website with others. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Lovable AI to create a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.